You need to hear this if you're a bird lover. These birds aren't just chirping, they're chatting. Meet the rock stars of the bird world. Parrots, mynas, and more. These feathered friends can mimic human speech like pros. Parrots are the chatterboxes, with African greys leading the pack. Mynas, they're the comedians throwing in our words with flair. And don't forget the clever cockatoos. So next time you hear a voice from the trees, it might just be a bird saying hello. Crazy, right? Hit that like button if you're amazed. DD out.